In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your friends' hours on PS5. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you have to press the PS button on your controller. Then go to game base. This is the game base. Press X on game base. Then select the friend, then press X on the friend, and then go to the three dots and press X, then press X on view profile, and then here go to games and go down, and here you will see your friends hours of which game they played. So this is how you can check your friends hours on PS5. Thanks for watching.